Sorry.
Oh, now I'm scared.
She wishes to be immortal. And what might your name be, dear? My dear, are we celebrating a birthday? I do love a Libra. Wonderful people. So trustworthy. Loyal. However, you tend to be oh so indecisive. Are you sure this is what you wish for, dear? Don't say I didn't get you anything for your birthday. I offer you immortality and power beyond your wildest dreams. In exchange, dear, I want your soul. A fair trade to Dr. Oddfellow, don't you think? You won't even know it's missing, dear. Who needs a soul anyway? Do we have a deal? Oh dear, you waste my time. Libras and their indecisiveness. Don't worry, dear. We still have use for you. Do go inside and see my night creatures. They haven't had fresh blood in some time. Do enjoy your birthday, dear, while you still can. Step on up, friends. Who wishes for immortality? Let's make a deal. And what might your name be, dear? And Kelly, what sign are you? A Cancer. Dear, I'm surprised you're here at all. The good old water sign.